that this wall was actually an aqueduct. What is a copper house? Blessings y'all and welcome to another episode of Elite Jamaica Searching for Stuff. Today we are in a community called Sunning Hill in St. Thomas. Now Sunning Hill is a community known for... Kenneth, what's Sunning Hill known for?
It's organic.
It's organic farming.
Yeah.
What them farm? Yeah, come out of the camera.
Sunny. You talk about Sunny, you talk about good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Me think say Sunning Hill was just known for Rasmucus still.
No.
You know?
Sunny
But
produce the best. The best.
Best marijuana. Best marijuana.
No 30. Them one.
okay. Yeah guys, so we're in a Sunning Hill, we are searching for history as you know.
Yeah.
I think we should be able to locate the Sunning Hill water wheel and the water mill. Otherwise from that, we have several different locations. So I'm not going to go ahead and tell you which one of the location them we go. However, we are going to the location them. Or two. Or any amount we can go to there.
Yeah,
But guys, what you all know Sunning Hill is known for, let me know in the comment section down below. And walk with me. Grab your table, pull your chair, and walk with me until we get there.
Yeah.
As you know guys, we are searching for the Sunning Hill plantation and the structures on the Sunning Hill plantation because most of these structures around this side were built on the Sunning Hill plantation in the area over there. Now the Sunning Hill plantation was actually owned by Robert Pulsford the Elder. That Robert Pulsford the Elder. And I saw him name peeps, like seriously, here. I'll put it on screen. This plantation guys was actually owned by Robert Needham Ellis. He was the first owner. Robert Pulsford the Elder up here, he was the last owner in 1834, so I made a mistake right there. This plantation was coming from 1790 because when we look on the construction and look on the aqueduct, I knew it couldn't be from 1834. So I went back to do some research as I'm home editing right now. So this was owned by Robert Needham Ellis. He was the first owner and they were actually doing sugar and rum because Robert Pulsford the Elder, he was actually a wine merchant, so they did not start to do that until he owned the place. Alright, so you notice they started out with sugar and rum, yeah, and that was in 1770. Alright guys, so the information is all here. If you want information, you can let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to send you links as to the information. And then after he died, it was passed on to his son William Pulsford the Elder. Alright, so we're gonna get into information. Information will be in this video according to this plantation, but we could see what we can find first because we have a building that's close by. It's close by to the main, and we'll look on that first, document that, and then we'll get to trying to find the water mill, the water wheel, and hopefully the great house. I think it's gonna be another elusive great house. However, y'all walk with me, let me see what we can do. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, remember to give this video a like, alright? And if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel if you love these videos. Kenneth, what you say?
Well, I go in a sunny, I walk, I go in a sunny, and there, see what we can find.
True.
Good community, nice community.
Very lovely community
Lovely
so far.
community. Yeah, man, as you know. Our community.
Alright.
Understand? So,
Yeah, man.
walk with the man.
Walk with it.
Yeah, man.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.
Guys, so we reached the first location, you know. And I'm showing you this, guys. This look like there was. I wonder if I used to the great house today still. I'm not too sure, but there are walls, like fence walls. You know, without further ado, let's do. Yeah, guys, so this is the building, this is the structure that I'm telling you about. This should be like a barrier wall, like a fence wall, because there's a house over there. Alright, but however, there is this wall right here. I'm not sure what this wall is all about, but as we notice, this was colonial construction. Alright, yeah, man, so we have that right there. Let me see if I can show you on top of this wall. This is above the wall, guys. You know. And this is the wall coming all along here. I'm not sure where it went. There's another piece up there. Now I wonder if somebody there won't. Here's another piece right here, guys. Yeah. Another piece going across. So the building could have been up on that hill up there. Or it could have been on this plot right here, which it looks as if it was on this plot right here. It's the wall, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, so like somebody will come though. Yeah, guys, and then we come over to here. Showing the next piece here. This is another piece of the wall here, guys. Colonial construction. Trying not to get person's property in the camera. You notice that? Nice. Yeah, and this is another piece of the wall right here. So there was actually, it seems like there was a building right here. Not a great house, but a building was right here on the front. Kenneth, I'm building it there, I know. Right there, so I'm part of the building right there, so. And if you notice, here would have had, I don't know. Guys, I'm not sure if that's an archway or if that was done by nature. It looked like it was done by nature, but yeah. Yeah, guys, and if you notice, this is just right here out in the road, you know. Yeah, man. This is another part of the wall right here. I'm going up there. I'm not seeing any more of this wall, guys. However, we see one gate post across the road. I'm not showing you that. I'm not showing the gate post across the road. I'm gonna go around the road. Let's see if I can see no more of this building. Alright. So there's the gate post, guys. The old gate post that's right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go around here and see if I can't see any more of this building around here, because it seems to have been coming around up there. So I'm gonna look if any more of this structure, because that's the wall up there now, guys. Alright, so there should be more. Okay, guys, so it didn't come any further around, and I'm still not sure because it could have came around and then got broken down. But yeah, that's a part of the wall we saw the other day, guys. And yeah, man, that's the main road down there. And there's no more wall up there, so I'll go back up to park in it there and see if we can move on to the next location. Alright, guys, walk with me. I'm gonna come back round where Kenneth there, Kenneth in the background. We just found the next piece of the wall because we thought that this would have been cross and cross, because where we're actually seeing the road now, I'm not sure if the road would have been here because this was one structure. Now we are seeing both sides of the road. So I'm showing this, guys. Alright, so let's do it. Yeah guys, so this is the other piece of wall right here. Show it from the other side. Here guys, this is the wall from the other side. So it's on both sides of the road, guys. You know, and I'm not really sure how far it go, but I think this was where the tower was. Yeah man, Kenneth, seems that that's the where the tower was. Could have just been wide. And this is another piece now, guys. Yeah man, that's another piece right there. Yeah, and Kenneth over here, so is we reach back other side here, and just looking at it again, realize that this wall was actually an aqueduct. So this look like piece of the long aqueduct was stretched go back down to Holland. Yeah guys, so this is the aqueduct. This is Holland, where it starts, or where it ends rather. Then it leaves Holland to the Amity Hall estate. Then over to Ardley. These are water wheels. Whenever you see those gears, those are water wheels. Then it goes up here to Wheeler's Field. Then over to Winchester, where it actually either stops here or it goes underground. But that's not all, guys, because down here, if we go over here, we see where it either comes back from underground here or it starts back here, Plantain Garden River, and this is where we're at right now. Alright, this is the aqueduct here, going across the road and going out. Alright, so we weren't able to find this water wheel or this building, okay, just the aqueduct. Then it leaves here and down to Winchester, then down to Golden Grove, Ducken Field, and then back to Holland. You know, right back to the Holland estate, where it goes back into the Plantain Garden River right here. Alright guys, so this is the aqueduct. Yeah, and this is a part of the aqueduct that we have found right now. I'm not gonna give you guys any spoilers as to where we're going next, but enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so we're gonna find out, because here it goes and go down. We actually look on them, Mr. Say, like there's an arch. Here's the start of an arch being formed right here. If you notice, guys, that's where the arch would have started. You know, that's where the arch would have started, and that's the connecting part over there. You know, so this was indeed an aqueduct. Yeah, guys, this was an aqueduct. So it actually comes from up in the hills. You really have to go trace this from where it comes from. One of these days, I think we can do that today. Alright, so yeah guys, this was an aqueduct. So I think this is a piece of the aqueduct from the Holland Great House that runs coming around here. What is a copper house?
I'm building. Like one out of Potosi.
Out of Potosi? I go Potosi already now.
Yeah, but there's one more around the front.
Okay. Alright, come in, Kenneth. Thanks, here.
Yeah, now I me here.
Just found a lovely lady to show away the river. Alright, yeah man. So So you said these are the copper buildings, but them on your modern still. Them on your
them on your
guys. These are
modern.
copper buildings also, you know, but these are modern. These are actually made from block.
With me at fear house that.
Okay, okay.
And my mother.
Yeah.
My mother still come back around here and around here, you know. But she's not there right now. She can't have married there.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, man, around here nice though. We're gonna look on the river.
Yeah.
What your name?
Yeah. Novelet.
Novelet. Okay.
Yeah, this day let me know that you.
Just there, your family thing the Russell. When I go out Lebanon, step about this.
Yeah. They live in a rolling river.
What that river your name?
This is Plantain Garden River.
Lovely river.
It's on the Plantain Garden River.
But you see, depending on where you're there, it not look like it run different, you know. It look like it run the normal way. But Plantain Garden River run different. It run from west to east. From east to west. Mama wash her hair now, man. Yeah guys, so this is the Plantain Garden River. And you see it close up now the other day guys where I showed you a river from way up in the mountains but never see it good. This is the river now. Yeah, man.
The other one that comes from Mount Felix now is rolling river.
Guys, I just see this a while ago, I swear say it's like a building the dead and the wall tumble down or something. But that's all nature guys. I'm really did have to look for see how nature do that peeps. You know? Yeah man. Powerful. So that's on our way guys. We're in a sunny hill and we're head up to the next location. Kenneth, how about Jack do?
You know it's a Jack Cure. Jack Cure. No problem, you know.
No problem.
Come on, Jack Cure, no problem, man.
But of all persons, Jack if you know better.
Yeah,
Jack you get 13 years and do.
So temptation, I know I used to think still sometime in a fire, but you have to know yourself, you know, man. You know,
That's
say you
true.
didn't know the situation before. It's when you're in the situation before and you know how painful the thing is, you try to.
You try if you hold it and try
You
to
know,
get
man, no walk back
in
into the situation that again.
You see me?
Well, I mean, you know what catch him, you know. But
Temper.
Jah help him still, you know.
Temper me feel catch
Our
him.
heart is still, I will love him, he said we. So.
See him way.
Yeah, man. So,
Yeah.
we wish him the best, said we.
Just hope for the best.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Hope for the best.
True.
Rastafari.
Yeah guys, we're still there in a sunny hill. That are the river down there guys. Alright, people at the river so I'm not really focus down. Yeah? Community of Sunny Hill guys. Sunny Hill have some really interesting features. Pause for 3 seconds for y'all comment on my change of shades. Yeah man. Anyway, yeah, Sunny Hill has some really interesting features, like a very lovely community. Shout out to the lady who see me yesterday man and say elite. You go up on the hill. You know. So she always watch the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah man, this lady's from Needham Penny. You know yourself. Alright, so yeah, we're still on the way going around this building. Can I help us get maybe snack or something? I don't know where I get. Yeah, about the pound way. If you're from the community of Sunny Hill, if there's anywhere in Sunny Hill where you want to go, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright? Yeah man. Beautiful landscape guys. Guys, a beautiful feature of the Sunny Hill community. Breeze are compete with me in the background. This community reminds me of Trinityville. Who agree with me? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah? Guys, that's Two River meeting right there, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Ending up in one river, the PGR, Plantain Garden River. Yeah, guys. So that's how people wash and, you know, them leave this, close them on the riverside for dry until them get back. Yeah, body naturally close them. And then we'll come up here and show you the entrance of the rivers. If you notice down there, guys, beautiful enough peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, so walk go down there. So that's the river down there. That's where they meet, guys. Yeah, man. Peeps, we can't get enough of the river. Yeah. Lovely. Fine one broke off around your way. This not good enough. This very dangerous, guys. I all notice there's a big drop off. And up on the main road. Famous community of Sunny Hill.
Yeah.
Guys, the Sunny Hill Primary School. Let me show you. Yeah, guys, the Sunny Hill Primary School. I'm showing you the thing at the gate. Forgot what them call them thing, I know. Signpost. Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, man, Tartan Primary and Infant School. Thought it was the Sunny Hill. So this, guys, is the Sunny Hill Square. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, the Sunny Hill Square. I understand how the school named Tartan Primary and Junior High, or Tartan Basic and Primary School, and it's in Sunny Hill. Let me know if you all know, guys. So this is the Sunny Hill Square. River, guys, the beautiful river. If you love this river, click the subscribe button. If you have done so before, click the thumbs up button. Give the video a like. Yeah, man, this is the Sunny Hill Square, guys. Yeah. If you're from Sunny Hill, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll show you all the bridge. River is just lovely. Yeah, peeps, so we got some information that the wall we saw up the road, that the road actually, well, the wall actually went straight across the road, that now the road is running through where the wall was, and there was a harbor out on the riverside. Alright, the harbor means somewhere where they ship something away on boats to get it out to sea. So, I don't know if a sugar cane or if they used to be logging, but I'll try to find that information and put it on screen. Alright, guys? Yeah, man.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed, if that's what you wanted.
Yeah, guys, if you got this far in this video, let me know by typing the word Sunny Hill in the comment section down below. Alright, and if it's your first time joining me here and you enjoy videos like these, remember it's free. Of course, you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. And if you already did so, give the video a thumbs up, please. Alright, yeah, so can I go on my beer, guys? So until we meet again here in Elite Jamaica, take care of yourself. Stay blessed.
Get it tonight, 'cause I can fly.